In a previous video, we used PubMed to do a keyword search on the question, "Do women who drink soda have an increased risk for heart disease?" In this video, we will look at the details of this search to view the mesh heading mappings, and we will look at ways to filter our search results. If you recall, our search strategy was women or females, soda or sweetened beverages or soft drinks, heart disease or cardiovascular disease. We entered these search terms into the advanced search area in PubMed. The first thing I like to do when I run a search is to view the search details. Search details show up when my results list is sorted by most recent. The search details tell me exactly how PubMed interpreted my search and if the search terms mapped to mesh terms. Whenever possible, I try to map each term or keyword to a relevant mesh term. Notice that PubMed not only searches my terms in all fields of a PubMed record, it also searches the mesh headings. If I see translations that don't make sense to me, I can either edit the query translation or use different search terms. If my results list is sorted by most recent, I may want to change the sort to best match to view the more relevant articles. If there are a lot of articles in my results list, I can use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down the list. I may want to limit to articles published within the past few years, or I may want to limit to specific article types, like systematic reviews or randomized controlled trials. When I use the link to PubMed linkout from our library's website, I see additional filters on the right side of the page. These filters allow me to limit the results to articles on specific study types. If I find an article title that seems to be very relevant, I can click the title to read the abstract, and I can find similar articles. Also, if I find a very relevant article, it may be helpful to see who cited this. I can find this information in Google Scholar. Here are some advanced search techniques that you should be aware of, and these techniques work in most databases, not just PubMed. To search for an exact phrase, put quotations around the phrase. For instance, if you are looking for research published by the CIBMTR, I recommend searching Center for International Blood and Marrow Transplant Research in quotes, or CIBMTR. To search for variations on the ending of a word, you can use an asterisk to truncate the word. Searching nutrition asterisk will find the terms nutrition, nutritional, nutritionally, nutritionist, and nutritionists. Careful though, PubMed can only handle up to 600 variations of a word, so searching compute asterisk will give you an error message. Note that when you use these advanced search techniques, the terms will not be mapped to mesh headings. For more information about using PubMed, I recommend going through the National Library of Medicine's PubMed tutorial or viewing PubMed's online training videos.